Hey guys, today we're going to be making a backdrop for our videos. And as you can see,
we're going to be doing a backdrop.
A black curtain here.
It's the first time we're trying this out.
Yes.
A little backdrop to make our videos look a little nicer when we do reviews.
And you got the clip.
This is what we're going to use. Show them the clips.
Got some clips.
We're going to use these clips that we got from Target.
And we got this also from Target.
No, we got that from your local Dollar General,
Dollar General.
Dollar store. It's a curtain that we're going to use. We're going to put the curtain in the back and just put the clips. It's a cheap way to do a quick backdrop to make some videos.
Yes. So we're just going to have to remove this and replace it with this for a backdrop.
All right. We're going to show you guys how it's done, okay?
Yes.
Stay tuned.
So guys, it wasn't actually as easy as we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, no, it was not. We had to be a little creative with some poles and some tripods.
Yeah, but we managed to do it, and it's better than just curtains.
Yeah, it's better than the light coming through the back. If you have a window, if you don't have a big wall to use, and you just put a sheet behind to make your videos.
So this is how we're gonna do for all the review videos we do.
For now.
For now, yes, and hopefully we'll be able to get a review on a mic because we got one of those, so we can use it.
Yeah, we got a mic, and we're gonna review things here.
Yes.
We could do reviews.
Yes. So this is where we're gonna have our reviews, and let's just see how it tests out. Like,
it's just a test.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be reviewing the Lego Batman plush.
Hey, it's Batman.
We got him from the Lego store. Hopefully this background looks pretty good.
I'm an awesome guy. I was bought at Disney Springs, and I am amazing. We only found that one actually at Disney Springs, Orlando. When we saw him, we had to have him. He's amazing. He was the only one there, and we just grabbed him. I don't know if we've shown you guys on YouTube. I don't know if we've shown you this guy, but he's awesome. He's amazing. We love him. We wish we had the whole collection, but there was only one. If you guys have other ones, please post or comment. Show us what you guys have. And look at this guy. Who is this guy? This is a cat with a tie. I don't really know who he is.
I think his name is Sir Meows-a-Lot.
Sir Mix-a-Lot. We got Sir Mix-a-Lot.
No, that's not his name.
Oh, Sir Meows-a-Lot. We got Sir Meows-a-Lot at where do we get him?
We just ordered it.
We'd order it. He's part of what? What is
Dennis.
Dennis what? Dennis the Menace?
No, not Dennis the Menace. This Dennis the YouTuber.
Dennis the YouTuber. His name is Dennis the YouTuber.
No,
so you can follow.
Well, his channel name is Dennis.
His channel name is Dennis. So if you need to find him, you go to channel name Dennis.
No. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just move on.
No. What's his name so people can follow him?
His name is Dennis.
Dennis. And his YouTube channel?
His YouTube channel is Dennis.
His YouTube channel is Dennis, and he has a cool cat. And now we're running out of batteries here, so we'll make it quick. We got Foxy. And Foxy with the eye patch. His eye patch kind of came off. So, who sold it?
Mom.
Mom sold it. And he looks beautiful. He's awesome. He's amazing. And that's it. That's our test.
See you later.
See you. Subscribe. Bye.